The Columbia River Affair of 1981, The Sound of a UFO audio documentary. At 4:03 a.m. March 17, 1981 in Oregon, Sergeant Russell Yukon of the Oregon State Police Department was driving on Highway 30 west of the Columbia River when a bright light caught his attention. The light hovers high above the frozen waters in the river towards Portland Airport, about 20 miles away. What caught the sergeant's attention was how bright the light was, like it was daylight. Sergeant Yukon immediately called the report of the mysterious light traveling down the river, and within minutes other police officers arrived, as well as citizens who witnessed the strange activity until the early hours of the morning. Okay, so this was from 4:03 at night. Now, to their surprise, the UFO makes a whirling sound for a few minutes before disappearing into the darkness. The conversation was recorded as well as the swirling around sound of the UFO made it was clearly audible. And what was that bright and noisy object in the Columbia River doing? The light was spherical. As for the color, they said it was a light orange, while one witness stated something between orange and red. The spherical light was flying over the river at a height of about 25-30 meters, that's about 100 feet up, causing a great glare on the water. The estimated size of the light was 10 meters, that's about 30 feet in diameter. Researchers have ruled out the moon because it was in the wrong direction. A poacher's boat, unlikely. Why would it attract attention by lighting up the entire area? A balloon or an illusion, multiple witnesses. Registration was also analyzed. The sound shows two peaks between 1,000 and 3,000 hertz, that's cycles per second, with no uniform harmony. And when the movie is played backwards, the data is not changed. The pitch change in sound just before the UFO disappeared into a trace. With this sighting caused quite a stir in the local media, but since no response was given at the time, as is common with many UFO sightings, the story had to be forgotten. The recording of the incident and the statements of several witnesses. The presence of this type of light is common in first and second degree contacts. For example, these lights have been observed for decades in the Yakama Indian Reservation of Washington State of the USA. The number of reports from the area in question is so great that at the time, J. Allen Hynek had proposed to conduct a detailed investigation to study the phenomenon. Unfortunately, he would not be able to draw a definitive conclusion. Even today, the phenomenon remains a mystery. However, the collection of reports is staggering and includes eyewitness accounts of sightings of disc-shaped luminous objects that show an intelligence in their behavior, and in some cases witnesses even claim to have been chased by these spherical luminous UFOs. And this is some of the audio. I'll leave you the link to the, that's the police officer. I'll leave you a link to the article, and you can hear it for yourself. There it is. So as you can see, they even have the recording of the sound made by this UFO. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.